Um, sorry, I'm Professor Ilojan Senkunku. I come from sport. Today is February 17, 2018. Usually, God is not limited by the number. Like when they invite me, I have to go to the room 6. When they want to give me a contract, in the contract they put the contract 6. When they want me to meet someone, they wear this people about 6. God is not limited about 6. Even if he told me to act each 17, 27. God is Alpha and Omega. That's why I'm doing this video just to tell you that God loves us. We're fighting for justice and equality. Justice and equality. Why? Because we have been chosen by God. And I know that God doesn't have a color. Remember, God doesn't have a color. But He creates all beautiful colors. So that's why one race cannot turn other in slavery. One race cannot turn other in slavery. But what I see, they are giving, we are using color to limitate the God. From blue, they turn it to yellow. Yellow is a good color. All color was created with God. But all things shine in yellow is not gold. Remember that all things shine in yellow are not gold. So you have to do yourself different. There is sunshine of God, like sun I can see from God, and sunshine with the face in the middle, that is not gold. And through this color, some race will turn other in slavery. And they are not going to just, they will manage about their own interests without to be preoccupied of people. Me, I'm international attorney of God, and will continue to fight for the right of people. The other thing is those are talking about treason. They find guilty people they say that they find you guilty of treason. I think the judges are irresponsible. How they can be the judge of a republic? And this judge, their country claim to be a nation, their United Nation. That is illegal. So you can't be a judge of Supreme Court of a republic. Is a republic invest you, and you are apart with another constitution, the secret constitution, and you find guilty for this constitution of treason, and you find this guilty people of opposition of guilty of the secret constitution. I suggest to do the building and write here, this is the court of republic, the court of Freemason, or the court of nation. But for those condemned innocent on the guilty of treason, they exerce their power illegally because they belong to republic and they claim in United Nations to be the judge of nation. It's illegal. So your identity was not very clear. Likewise, for those condemned, the President Kennedy to die, for those condemned, Isaac Rabin to die, for those condemned, Patrice Lumumba to die, Sankara to die, those judges have to go in prison because they exercise illegally their duty. Okay, their duty. Okay, that's what we want to do. We set people free, found guilty of treason, because those judges and Supreme Court exerce illegally their power. They belong to republic, but they change their ID. Their country changed the ID in United Nations, became a nation. So we have to clarify if they are republic or they are nation. If they are nation, so they remain in United Nations. If they are republic, they have to create United of Republic. And when you approach people, because we have freedom of association, when you approach people, explain to them what mean to be in republic. Explain to them it will be fraternity, but after that you will give in Holocaust your member of family. You will lose your father, your mother, and you will lose all sister. Okay, I'm not for people find me of guilty of treason. I develop in law and fact that since 6th century you were wrong. You are just a killer. You are not a judge, and you are co-criminal because you give a decision of guilty of treason, and the other people will kill. So you are a co-criminal. You are not a judge. Thank you so much.